Hey guys, today I'll show you how to enable dual camera features on your Android. So let's get started. So then tap on this icon and allow dual camera to take pictures and record video. So as I said, when installed, tap open, and the system may also ask for a permission. And then just tap allow if you see it. So on a display you will see an image from both the front and rear cameras. Yeah, as you can see it works. And here you can change the layout. And then use this icon to take a photo and this icon to make a video. And then tap record, for example, and to stop recording, tap the stop button. So now you know how to use dual camera feature on your Android. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips.